In this video, I'm reviewing the Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker, so let's get started. The Keurig K-Mini has a nice little cord storage built into it. It measures 12.1 inches high, 11.3 inches in depth, 4.5 inches wide. Open the lid and it makes it 16.8 inches tall. You can also remove the drip tray, which lets you add a travel mug up to 7 inches tall. You can also remove the cover of the drip tray for easy cleaning. It comes with one single needle entry point and also the removable coffee pod holder, so you can use your own reusable coffee filters. Just push it from underneath and slide it out from the top. If you want to use the coffee pods again, just pop the coffee pod holder back in. It comes with a non-removable reservoir which holds up to 12 ounces. So you'll just add enough water to make the amount of coffee that you want. And just to show you here, it is plastic just like the rest of the machine. Before you use the coffee machine, you definitely want to give the water reservoir a good wipe and also wipe down the coffee machine as well. Let's just open it up and wipe it inside as well. Okay, so before you start making coffee, you're going to do a cleaning brew first. You're going to add at least 8 ounces of water to the reservoir. It doesn't have to be 8 ounces, but feel free to add a little bit more or just run a cleaning brew a couple of times before you make your coffee. Close the reservoir, put the jug underneath. If you press the power button, nothing will happen, so you have to open the lid and close it again. This is just a power off button. So open and close the lid, making sure there's no coffee pod inside, and press the center brewing K button. The water reservoir will drain into the machine first, and the light on top will be a solid white line. And for several seconds it'll stay on a solid white line and it'll make this humming sound. And then after a little while, the solid white line will start to blink twice, but the machine will be very silent. And then several seconds later, you'll hear what sounds like the water heating up, and then it will get ready to dispense. Okay, let's test the water here, and it's showing 75, 76, 77, between 75 and 77 degrees Celsius. Okay, then throw this water out, and now you're ready to brew your first cup of coffee. Adding some water to the reservoir, pop in your mug, add your coffee, and then press the button. Let's just do another temperature test to make sure that it's still the same. And yeah, it's showing about 75, 76. The mug that I'm using, it has been kept at room temperature. Let's remove the cup and have a look at the splash zone areas. And there's nothing on the machine, which is a good sign. And there is nothing on the counter as well. And I also want to just check if there's been any coffee bits left behind in my mug. So I'm just going to pour this out and take a look. And yeah, no, totally fine. No coffee bits at all in the mug. So I'm going to give you guys an idea of how long it takes to brew the coffee. So a 6-ounce cup of coffee takes 57 seconds to heat the water before it starts to dispense. And in total, to brew a 6-ounce cup of coffee, it takes 1 minute and 21 seconds. For an 8-ounce mug of coffee, it takes 1 minute and 6 seconds to heat the water, so slightly longer. and it's 1 minute and 35 seconds by the time it's brewed your cup of coffee. For a 10 ounce, it's 1 minute and 18 seconds to heat. So the more water there is, the longer it takes to heat. And 1 minute 52 seconds in total from start to finish. And lastly, the 12 ounce. Takes 1 minute and 34 seconds to heat. And 2 minutes and 12 seconds to brew the largest 12-ounce cup of coffee. So since you can't remove the water reservoir, you want to make sure to give it a wipe at least at the end of the day once you're all done making coffee, since you don't want it to build up any lime scale or any mold in there. Let's take a look at the needle area. I've only used it once or twice as well, so there's not a lot in there at the moment, but you do want to give that a clean every so often. And when you're done with the machine, if you want to pack it away, you can just unplug it and you can just use the little nice cord holder in the back here. So overall, I'm not too keen on this Keurig K-Mini model. Keurig is definitely headed in the right direction with their newer models, especially the K-Express, which does have a removable water reservoir, and it's a lot quieter and it's faster as well. This one just seems to be a lot more noisy and it takes a long time to brew a cup of coffee. I also don't like the idea of not being able to remove the reservoir, because you just don't know how clean you can get it until you don't actually wash it with warm water and soap. Other than that, you know what, it's tiny, it's compact, and it has a nice little cord storage at the back of the machine. So you are able to remove the water reservoir on the K-Mini Plus model, just not on this basic K-Mini model, in case anybody gets confused. And also, I think you're just better off buying the 2021 model, the K-Express, because it is a lot quieter and a lot faster. I'll leave a link in the description and also at the end of this video if you guys want to watch that video. Alright guys, I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to leave a like, and I hope to catch you in my next video.